The dancing governor Ademola Adeleke, the governor of Osun State, have been sacked by the tribunal over the last election. Oh my God, this is sad, but this is real. Hello guys, welcome to CBR Vibes. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Here we gist, we laugh, and we learn. We talk about trending things and trending happenings. Okay, guys. So this is the kind of content you always want are interested in, we talked about celebrity gist, we talk about politics, and we talk about anything that is happening around us. If this is the kind of content you love watching or seeing, then click on the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be alerted whenever I post another video. If you love this, that means you're my paddy, and as my paddy, you need to subscribe so that you always be the first to get content, right? Okay, guys, let's go deep into what happened to Ademola Adeleke. Oh my God, it's sad, but guys, let me give you the full gist. Wow, guys, His Excellency Ademola Adeleke, the governor of Osun State, who was a senator before, right? The candidate of the People Democratic Party (PDP), who was declared the winner of the last governorship election held in July 2022 over his opponent, the governor of Osun State before, um, Oyetola. Now, guys, this man was happy. We all celebrated. Our dancing governor, Ademola Adeleke, celebrated on this July 2022 after the election, dancing to his regular song, the Fuga. So in August 2022, the Boyega, sorry if I murdered the name, Boyega Oyetola, the former Osun State governor, who was also representing the All Progressive Congress, that's APC, petitioned the tribunal to challenge the victory of Adeleke. And he said that there was overvoting in 749 polling units in 10 local government area of the state. That was his petition. So he was actually claiming that the Adeleke's votes was not accurate, that his vote was more than Adeleke's own, so there was overvoting for him in 749 polling units. Ooh, was this real? So after all said and done in the courts, judgment was finally delivered on Friday, 27th January 2022. So two out of the three tribunal members, panel of judges of the tribunal, held that the petition was able to prove that there was indeed overvoting in some of the polling units. And based on this judgment, they ordered the INEC to withdraw the certificate of return issued to Adeleke and issue a fresh one to Oyetola as the duly elected governor of Osun State. I know a lot of us will be like, how? Like, how? I asked that question too. But the truth is that after all the said and done, the lawful vote for each of the candidates after the said deduction was 314,931 for Oyetola, who is the petitioner, and 290,666 for this Adeleke. Doesn't mean that he's no more our dancing governor. Now, this is it. Meanwhile, Adeleke has rejected the judgment, describing it as miscarriage of justice. So he said we should hold on and be calm because he would be contesting at the Court of Appeal. That means the wahala just started though. We all know that Davido is actually his nephew, right? And guys, we have not heard from him. We don't know what is going to happen next. But we are expecting that we are going to fight for this position, right? That's what you can see the wife of the governor Oyetola dancing and celebrating to this good news today. So before we look into the citizens of Osun State reaction, first of all, you have to do this, pause for some seconds click on the like button, like this video, comment on this video, and also subscribe to this channel, right? So let me show you the reaction. And also some supporters of this petitioner dancing and celebrating because to them they have actually won the battle. But guys, they don't know that this thing just started. They don't know that the battle just began. Come to stay. The money come to stay. Nobody can see our mandate. The anyways, wahala in this country, oh, wahala everywhere in this country, guys. Adeleke's son Shino also came to his Instagram and told us to be calm, that the father's position have not been taken away from him, that they're going to fight for it. So, guys, let's wait and get to hear the next steps that Adeleke are going to take on this case. Okay, guys, if you have watched to this point, please can you not subscribe to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn notification bell. Love you guys, and see you.